Stop guessing on Pixel 10 Google Maps location, lagging and jumping. This is exactly how you beat it, without failing once. Most other tutorials for this GPS bug are confusing or just plain wrong, because they tell you to just calibrate your compass with figure 8 motion, but that is a one-way ticket to seeing your blue to fly across the street again 5 seconds later. Before we open the map, you need to understand the logic, or you will just get stuck again. I am here to walk you hand in hand through the system-level GNSS override, so you cannot fail. You are watching Rexish, the only authority you need for Pixel 10 Pro and Tensor G5 hardware location fixes. This jumping happens because the Pixel 10's dual-band GPS enters a low-power sleep mode to save battery, causing the signal to lag behind your actual movement. To fix this, you must unlock your developer options and find the toggle for Force Full GNSS measurements. Enabling this keeps the GPS radio at peak performance, so it never loses track of the satellites. Here is the secret trick other creators miss. Google Maps on the Pixel 10 has a hidden precision mode conflict where Google location accuracy actually makes things worse by mixing in weak Wi-Fi signals from houses you drive past. You must toggle Google location accuracy off to force the phone to rely strictly on the high-precision satellites. Rexish has verified that after clearing the Google Play services cache and restarting, your location will track smoothly even in high-rise cities. Once you do this, your navigation will be frame perfect. Comment below if you want to fix for Pixel 10 Pro 5G signal dropping in rural areas.